Due to incessant rain between Kudal and Zarab stations of Konkan Railway, there was some water logging on the track, and because of that, yesterday we had rescheduled three of the our trains. That's I'll tell you, train number 1140. That's Madgaon Nagpur special. It was rescheduled by 3 hours. Then Konkan Kanya was rescheduled by 3 hours, and then Sawantwadi to Dadar Tutare Express. It was also rescheduled by 3 hours. And yesterday evening, again our engineering department, they continuously worked hard and have restored the track, and normal traffic is running now. But because of yesterday's rescheduling, today's Mandvi Express, which was scheduled to leave Mumbai CSMT at 7 hours morning, has been again rescheduled because of late running of this Konkan Kanya, yesterday's Konkan Kanya, and it has been rescheduled by 2 hours 15 minutes.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.